Hello, namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss about how to construct regular polygons with the help of slider, and slider is the number of sides here. So select slider tool from the second last button, click anywhere on the screen, write the name of slider on, and the regular polygon starts from 3. That means the number of side is minimum 3 because the smallest polygon is a triangle. So minimum value 3 and maximum value is 12. Increment should be 1 because the polygon number of sides of polygon is not in decimal. So click OK. Click on move tool and check whether the slider is working or not. Yes, its minimum value is 3 and maximum value is 12. Now select regular polygon tool. This is our regular polygon tool. From polygon tool, select regular polygon. Click select its side as much as you want. Now it asks for number of vertices. By default it is 4. So delete it and link this number of vertices with our slider on. If your name of slider is A, then write A here. But here the name of slider is on, so I am going to write a small on and click OK. Now our regular polygon is constructed. Now let's move the slider and see whether it is changing or not. Yes, it's changing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. It's working now. Let's write its name. It is equilateral triangle. So from the second last button, select text tool, writes its name equilateral triangle. Polygon, smallest regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Its side is 3 and all sides are equal in regular polygon. All angles are also equal. Now right click on equilateral triangle, go to object properties. We can change its size, text size, change its color also if you want. Make it bold. Yeah, this is bold. And go to advanced, and in advanced, in place of condition to show object, write on 2 times equal to, and when n equal to 3, this equilateral triangle should appear. Then on double equal to 2 times equal to, write 3, press enter, then close it. Now let's change the slider. Now it is a square. So select text tool, write square square, select move tool and keep it little bit in center. Right click on square, object properties, and in place of condition to show object, on 2 times equal to 4, press enter, then close it. And n equal to 5, this is pentagon. Select text tool, write regular pentagon. In place of a square, no need to write regular square, and in equilateral triangle, regular equilateral triangle. But in pentagon, we have to write regular pentagon. Right click on it, object properties, and condition to show object, on double equal to 5. When n equal to 5, regular pentagon should appear. And n equal to 6, there should be regular hexagon. On OK. Move tool. From the move tool, keep it in center. Object properties. Right click, go to object properties. On double equal to 6. Press enter and close it. Move the slider. N equal to 7. And select tool. Write regular hexagon. Sorry, heptagon. OK. Click on move tool. You can keep it in center. object, right click, go to object properties, and in place of condition to show object, yon double equal to 7. Now press enter, then close it. Regular heptagon is also ready. Move the slider, it is octagon. Select text tool, write regular octagon. OK. Click on move tool, select regular octagon, right click, go to object properties, condition to show object, yon 2 times equal to 8, press enter, then close. Now move the slider, n equal to 9, it is monogon, regular, non, OK. Click on move tool, select regular nonagon, right click, object properties, in condition to show object, yon double equal to 9, press enter, then close it. Again move the slider, n equal to 10. From the text tool, write regular decagon. Okay. Select move tool, keep it in center, right click, object properties, yon double equal to 10. If you write single equal to also, then also it works. Then press enter. We have to press enter. Then close it. Now n equal to 11. When n equal to 11, the name of this polygon is regular indecagon. Yes, it is already in center. Now right click, object properties, in condition to show object, yon equal to 11. If we write 1 times equal, then also it works. Then press enter and close it. And when n equal to 12, it is regular dudecagon. R is GULAR, DO, GCHAN. OK. Click on move tool. Yes, keep it in center. Right click, object properties. We can make it small or big as we want. I am not changing each time because the video may be little bit long. I am changing the first and last one only. We can change background color also. Background color this one. Yes, like this you customize the other text also. Make it little bit attractive. Now in condition to show object, go to advanced. In condition to show object, yon equal to 12. Press enter, then close. Let's move the slider and see whether it is changing or not. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes, it's working. Now let's start the animation. Animation on. Let's see. Square, pentagon. Wow. Regular hexagon, regular heptagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon, regular indecagon, regular decagon. Now I am going to write one thing. Stop the animation. And I am going to write number of sides. Number of sides equal to object empty box. Inside that empty box, the number of sides is a small n. Write a small n, then press enter. Okay. Now let's see. We can make it little bit big also, text, and let's make it large. Okay. Number of sides equal to 8. Let's see. Let's animate. Yes. Okay. Now it's really good. Wow. Like this we can animate. We can construct regular polygon with a slider. I will tell you linking the sides with the slider in my next video. Please comment if you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends also. Thank you.